Hi, I'm Chris, and in this week's tip of the week, we're going to take a look at something a little bit fun. We're going to take a look at a math trick for how to square numbers that end in 5. So any number that ends in 5, when it comes time to square it, which means multiply it by itself, you're going to have a number as your result that ends in 25. So we can put 25s there for the end. And then to figure out what goes in front of it, what goes in this space here, for each of these, you're going to take that first number that comes before the 5. So we'll start with 15 since it's the smallest. And you're going to take this number, the 1, and you're going to multiply it times 1 larger than itself. So here we would multiply 1 times 2. And that will tell you what goes in front of the 25. So 1 times 2 is 2. And that means your result will be 225. And this works all the way up for any numbers that end in 5. So here, 25 squared, if we follow that same process, we do 2 times 1 larger than 2 is 3. So we do 2 times 3, and that would give you 6. So that result is 625. And you can practice this with anything that ends in 5. 35 squared, 45 squared, 55 squared. We're going to just jump around and do a couple more examples to make sure we're comfortable with it. 65 squared, we take the 6, multiply by 1 larger. 6 times 7 is 42, so that would be 4,225. And it even works if you have more than just 2 digits. So for example here, before the 5 there's a 10, and if you multiply 10 times 1 larger, 10 times 11 is 110. So this would be 11,025 for that result. Especially as it relates to SATs and ACTs, but even just for something fun to start thinking about numbers in a different way, it's really helpful if you can do some mental math and avoid having to rely on calculator. For more, please feel free to check out our other tips of the week, and thanks for watching.